After 50, many people start noticing that their body doesn't respond the same way. Strength fades, balance feels off, and everyday movements get harder. It's frustrating, and sometimes even scary, but it doesn't have to stay that way. The solution isn't complicated or overwhelming. Just 3 simple exercises, done consistently, can rebuild strength, protect your joints, and help you feel younger and more capable every day. You don't need a gym, fancy equipment, or hours of training. You just need to start. When someone truly grasps the power of a proper squat, they never see it as just another workout move again. The squat is one of the foundations of fitness, and for good reason. It activates multiple muscles at once, strengthens the core, glutes, and legs, and improves hip mobility. Anyone into sports or bodybuilding knows that building big muscles and maintaining a solid base is nearly impossible without squats in their training routine. And hey, you don't need barbells or fancy gym setups to start. Bodyweight squats beside your bed, 3 sets of 15 reps, can already help you build muscles and pump muscles like crazy. Squats also boost circulation and speed up metabolism, which helps you lose weight more efficiently. Even better, it's one of those exercises that delivers fast results when done consistently. But here's the catch. Very few people have the discipline to train with proper technique and focused intention. And that's exactly where the next move comes in. The push-up might look simple, but don't let it fool you. It's a powerhouse in any training plan. With each rep, you engage your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even your glutes, making it one of the most complete bodyweight exercises in the world of fitness. People chasing big muscles often overlook it, thinking they need machines and heavy plates at the gym. But the truth is, mastering the push-up can build muscles with surprising efficiency and give that satisfying pump muscles feeling with zero equipment. Just imagine starting your morning with 2 sets of 10 push-ups. On the floor, no excuses. Over time, that tiny habit will transform your upper body strength, posture, and endurance. Whether you're doing sports, bodybuilding, or simply trying to stay strong and lose weight, this one movement packs more value than most people realize. And just like a solid foundation keeps a house upright, push-ups prepare your body to handle more advanced challenges. But even they need balance, and that's exactly what comes next. The plank is not flashy. It doesn't involve movement, jumping, or lifting heavy weights, but it's one of the most underestimated weapons in any fitness journey. Holding that still position, you're not just working your abs, you're challenging your entire core, your back, your glutes, your shoulders. It's a full-body training session packed into what looks like stillness. In the world of sports and bodybuilding, stability is everything, and the plank builds it like few exercises can. Want to build muscles that actually support you? Start with 30 seconds a day. That's it. Then grow from there. The burn you feel isn't just discomfort. It's transformation in real time. It improves posture, protects your spine, helps you lose weight by firing up deep muscle groups, and builds the kind of strength that shows when you move, not just when you flex. But the truth is, most people skip it because it's boring. That's exactly why it works so well, because it builds what others ignore. You've seen what just 3 exercises can do. Now it's your move. Start small, stay consistent, and your body will thank you. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if this helped you, subscribe and turn on notifications. There's more coming that you won't want to miss.